Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare a most effective face pack that can help brighten your skin, exfoliate and provide a natural glow. Take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, half teaspoon turmeric powder and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the mixture. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix all the ingredients together until you have a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato juice. Stir all the ingredients well to create a consistent paste. Apply the face mask evenly to your clean face and neck. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. You can notice instant glow on your face. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.